say, please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel why. It's me, I feel why. You see me do my that.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Char and we are back with another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Charmaine, but you can just call me Char. And today we're going to be doing a clean with me of my bedroom. I realized that I had not done a clean with me since I've been in this apartment. I've been here almost 2 years, so it's time that I do one. I've done them in my other apartments, but never here. So yeah, we're just going to get this room together, get her looking nice and good. Before we get too far in, I just want to give you the reminder to make sure you like and comment down below. Comment what you enjoyed regarding the video, as well as if you're not, go ahead and subscribe. It is free. It doesn't cost you anything additional, and your support means everything to me. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. I've never done a voiceover with my cleaning videos, so we're doing a voiceover today, y'all. I'm excited. So of course, first thing first is I went ahead and put some fresh sheets on my bed, and went ahead and made up my bed. I also threw in a load of laundry, so that way that is going while I'm getting this room nice and together. I love black on my bed, but yeah, don't judge me. Yeah, I had this little trunk sitting on the side of my bed, and I really wanted to put my cubicle. I had like a little cubby that used to be in my living room that housed my TV, so I wanted to bring that in here to put the stuff that is in this little bin on my bed into it. It's basically like lotion and stuff that used to be in my bathroom, but I no longer, well, I never actually put on lotion in my bathroom. I always did it in my bedroom. So I needed to bring that stuff out of the bathroom and into my room so that it's all together and I can choose what I want. So yeah, I just brought the cubby in here, and I'm going to go ahead and wipe it down nice and good. And then we're just going to start putting everything on it. And this cubby was very dusty, so we just gonna clean her up real nice. She does have like some little places on it on the top where it is missing part of the paint, but yeah, besides that, she's still in very much good condition. So we're gonna get all of our use out of her before we replace her. The little bins that I have in it, those all came from, the black ones came from Big Lots, and then the blue striped one came from Walmart, I believe. And then the cubby itself is from Walmart. I'm about 90% sure it's from Walmart. I've had it a very, very, very long time. But yeah, we're going to get all of the use out of her, wipe her down real good, and she'll be like brand spanking new, except for the top. I think I am going to get some contact paper to go over the top of it. That way I can cover up the little marks on the top, because I do want to display my perfumes up there, as well as I do want to get like an actual jewelry box to go on top. But yeah, we're just going to go ahead and load her up with all of the goodies. As you will see over the clip, I have a lot of Victoria's Secret and Pink body care items. If you did not know, I actually worked at Victoria's Secret for 6.5, almost 7 years. Prior to me leaving there, so naturally I have a ton of their products. I used to have a lot more, but over the years I've given it away because I didn't wear as much of it as often as I should have. So I didn't want it all to just kind of just be sitting there. So I did give a lot of it away over the years, but this is kind of what I have kept. In this little bin, I'm going to go ahead and put all my miniature lotions and hand sanitizers and body sprays. These are what I usually use to go either in my purse or to travel with. But mostly they're purse sizes, so I want them to all be together. That way I can easily grab them to throw in a different purse whenever I do switch it up. And then moving on to the top, I am pulling all of my jewelry out. I had jewelry all over my room. There was some in my closet, some on my dresser, some on my nightstand. So I wanted it all to be together. So I did take some and I put it in this little bin here. But I do think I need to declutter my jewelry a little bit more because I honestly don't even wear a majority of the jewelry that I have. So I do need to go through and declutter this even more, but that'll be a project for a later time because I do have a lot of jewelry actually.
What's happening to me in the dark? Can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. Yeah. Come around like it's when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right.
And then we are going to move on to the perfumes. This perfume tray, of course, came from Victoria's Secret. I have had this tray a very, very, very long time, as well as the majority of the perfumes that sit inside of it are from Victoria's Secret. Since, of course, I worked there for so long, I would get them either for free or for under $15. I've been recently trying to get into my perfume bag, so I have been getting a few other ones outside of Victoria's Secret. I have a Tom Ford one, an Estee Lauder one, and then I have the Gucci Bloom that was gifted to me for my birthday from my sister. So yeah, we want to get into the perfume bag because we want to smell good all day, every day. So yeah. Moving on to my dresser. This thing was very, very dusty. Do not judge me. I don't know when the last time was that I actually wiped off my dresser. So yeah, she desperately needs to be cleaned off, wiped down real good. Don't ask me why, but I still had the plastic film on my alarm clock for whatever reason. But I went ahead and took that off. And then we're just placing back some of the goodies on my dresser. So, of course, I have my self-care jar, which I need to pull from because I haven't gone on a self-care date in a little minute. So, I think I'm going to pull from that here soon and go on a little date. Of course, we have to go ahead and light the candle for all of the vibes so we can get it smelling nice and good up in here. And we're moving on to probably the worst corner of my room, my vanity. It is a hot mess. I got heat tools on top of here. There's some makeup up here. And a little corner, like by the drawers, is even worse. So yeah, we're just going to go ahead and get this nice and cleaned up. We're going to put everything in its proper drawer where it belongs. There's tripods up here. We got hairspray. Yeah, it was just, I had a lot going on. I don't know what I had going on, but it was a lot. So you will notice that I do have this towel on the desk, and I usually always keep a towel on top of the desk because white furniture, I've noticed, tends to get stained if you don't clean it up right away. I do my makeup from my vanity, so I'm always spilling something because, I'm not always an adult. I don't always clean up after myself right away. So if I spill a foundation or anything like that and I just don't clean up after I get done using it, the towel catches it for me. We're also just going to wipe off the mirror. We're going to clean it front and back and clean the inside of it. This little mirror actually came from Amazon. It does light up around it. You can either plug it into the wall, or it does also take batteries. And then my big mirror, it actually came from eBay. Yeah, it came from eBay. I have the video that I did on it linked up in the cards. I have a love-hate relationship with this big mirror because although I love it, it's nice and big. I hate the bulbs in it. For whatever reason, this particular mirror only takes the bulbs that it comes with. You can't put any other bulbs in this mirror. I've tried different bulbs. I've tried different dimmable bulbs. Nothing. If you plug in another bulb, it won't turn on. So it only takes the bulbs that it comes with, and these bulbs, they have a slightly greenish bluish tint to them, and I actually hate that. So I do want to get a new mirror at some point, but for now, and the price I paid for it, it does what it needs to do. Then there's this little corner right here where I just tend to throw stuff. There was boxes over here from collaborations. I also keep in this bottom drawer some hair stuff. So I usually keep my blow dryers down here. And then the extra towels that I use specifically for this desk go in this drawer. I'm just going to clean it out, vacuum it. It has some hair down in there from me doing my hair in that area and the drawer being open. And I'm just going to place all of my blow dryers and my hot tools back in here along with the towels. And then the little end pieces that go to the hot tools, I keep them in that little white cart that is next to my vanity. There's like a little bin that I put all of my combs and stuff in, and the comb attachments go in there with that. I'm going to wipe down the drawers so we get those nice and clean. I also put away these lip glosses. I actually made these lip glosses when I was thinking about starting a lip gloss business. And I may still do that at some point. Just at the time when I was originally thinking about doing that, it was just a lot of work and I was not here for it then. But I think I might come back to that at some point. I do need to declutter this makeup drawer as well because it is getting completely out of hand. So I will do that also in another video that will not be today. And we're just going to go ahead and vacuum, get all of the hair up out of this carpet and everything like that. We definitely had to get into this nightstand because it definitely started to get out of hand. I no longer wanted to have this basket on here. So we're just going to set it up and pull out just the necessities and make it look a lot more tidy. Of course, we got to have the necessities nice and close. A box of tissue. I have my kaleidoscope miracle drops for these edges. My water. I keep a lip mask and also my lip gloss, as well as I do have like a little mini flashlight just in case the power goes off or anything like that. And I also have these sprays. They are like pillow sprays that I can use to help me sleep. They're aromatherapy or whatever. They came from Victoria's Secret and Bath and Body Works. And we got this cute little candle, one of my LED candles that I got from Sam's Club. And then lastly, y'all, this is really it. It's just getting into this laundry and putting this up. I ended up doing one load, and then I had a load that was already completed and just needed to be put away. So we got towels and then my clothing. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all listen to the music for the rest of the video. Like I said earlier, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It is free. Leave a like and a comment down below. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. This was my first voiceover cleaning video. Let me know if you want to see more of them down in the comments. And yeah, y'all, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.